Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this keto buffalo chicken dip. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. This buffalo chicken dip is perfect for game days or any kind of, snack with some celery or carrot sticks or pork rinds, or you could use it just as like a topping for chicken. That's really, really delicious. Because, what's better than chicken on chicken, right? So anyway, we've got 4 cups of cooked chicken breast. We just poached it and then chopped it up. We've got 4 cups. And to this, we're gonna add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and work this in a little bit. You could also use a hand mixer if you want, stand mixer, whatever it is you've got, or your hands. Okay, I'm gonna add in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, half a cup of buffalo sauce, and usually people use like a ranch packet or something like that, but why not use real, spices and not that ranch packet? I would just much rather make it myself. So we're gonna add a tablespoon of dried parsley, a teaspoon of dried dill, a teaspoon of dried chives, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper. So now we just get to mix all of this up, and then it's ready to bake in the oven. Okay, we got it all mixed up. We popped it in in the microwave for 30 seconds because it was a little hard to mix, so that's an easy trick just to make it easier to mix if you're doing it by hand. So now we are ready to put this in our casserole dish. Now we're gonna flatten it into a single layer. This is ready for the oven. It's gonna bake in a 400-degree oven for about 25 minutes. Okay, we've got our buffalo chicken dip out of the oven and it smells so good. Our final ingredient is a quarter of a cup of crumbled blue cheese. We're gonna just sprinkle this on the top. And let's try a bite. I've got some celery here, so we're going to scoop some. Ooh, that looks good. Let's try a bite. That is so delicious, and you really get a kick from that buffalo sauce, but it's not too spicy. Of course, you can add more if you want it to be even more spicy. Be sure you check out this recipe. Also check out my recipe for these keto deviled eggs. They are so good and just as easy as this. You can have a whole spread of appetizers, all keto and all super easy. So check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.